The incredible game.
Yeah, Jesus, it was really, really tough going. I don't know what it was with us first half. We didn't seem to perform at all. But we knew we had to stick at it. 60 minutes and we've confidence in ourselves, and thankfully we dug it out.
And you dug it out more than maybe anyone. You got your score early on, you got the critical one just coming up to half time. Tails must have been up after that, even though you were still 3 down the course.
Look, we always had confidence. It's about the team, and at different times different players are going to stand up, and we needed the second half, and by God a lot of people did, thankfully.
Now 3 points down at half time, you came out in the second half, you got the first 3 scores. What did they mean, do you think, in terms of, I suppose, inspiring the team to believe that, let's face it, this is a Crossmaglen team with 6 All-Irelands, that they could be beaten?
Yeah, look, we always believed in ourselves. As I said, it was awful poor stuff by us in the first half, I thought, but honestly we had belief in ourselves that we'd pull it back. We've been here before. Look, we fell short 2 years ago, but we've given ourselves another chance on March 17th now.
We might have mistaken the last 5 minutes of injury time for the game in Paris this afternoon. There was an awful lot of pulling and dragging, but I suppose it just shows how important it was to both sides.
Yeah, look, it's win at all cost stuff. They gave as good as they got, and we weren't going to back down from it.
Okay, now you may or may not know Ballyboden have won the other semi-final, so all systems go. I mean, you're one of the team that lost the All-Ireland 2 years back. Making amends, is that very much on your minds now?
Yeah, absolutely. Look, as I said, we were there 2 years ago, came up against a very good Vincent's. Ballyboden now, look, they've bet some good teams along the way. They've bet Kilmacud, Portlaoise, St Vincent's, now Clonmel. So look, it's going to be another step up, and we're going to have to go away and prepare for ourselves now for the next 4.5 weeks or so.
All right, well, Mahu Paddy is Cluichí Ceannais, agus an seo Ceann AIB, tá Michael Hutton le gradam Cluichí Ceannais of runner Paddy Durkan.